Hi guys, it's Desi, my canine guardian. I want to show you two of our boys at two totally different life stages. We got Former here. See, good Former. Former is going to turn 10 in May. I hope you guys can hear me because the wind is blowing so bad. And then this is Rip. Rip is 1 year old. So we're going to play some ball today. Ready? Okay. 1-year-old, and there goes the 10-year-old. And the 10-year-old beats him. Good boys. Come on, Rip. Ready? There's your ball. Good boy. Good boy. So even though they get older, they still love to play. Still love to go. Come over here. See? Ah. Good boy. Love it. You decided he beat you? Yeah. Ready? Seats.